Hey guys, welcome to SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and as you can see, I'm all set and ready for my makeup. And since this is a last minute look guys, who has time for the introduction? Let's just jump right into it and let's get started. So I've already cleaned up my face, I've applied a moisturizer and a primer. And now for the foundation. Guys, I am using the Lakme Absolute Skin Natural Mousse. I love mousse foundations, first of all because, no matter how much of a rush you are in, this is something which is feather light. It will not give you a cakey, uneven, very difficult texture, which can happen with some of the other types of foundation. Plus, you can totally use your fingers to apply this foundation, which again makes it a very good thing to use when you're in a rush or for the beginners and all that. By the way guys, before I forget, I got this foundation off the beauty store by Big Basket. Big Basket now has a beauty store and the best thing about it is that if you want to do suppose you have just decided to go on a Valentine's date or a Valentine's party at the last moment and you want your products, this is a great place to shop from because first of all it gets delivered to your doorstep, and secondly it's better than your regular those e-commerce websites where you have to wait for a couple of days to get your makeup products. So they have a huge collection of things. In fact, everything that I'll be showing you today is available on this the beauty store of Big Basket. So I'll put the details and everything in the description box below, just so I should let you know in case you are having a last moment makeup crisis kind of a situation. Let me look at the mirror now. Yep. So you saw guys how easy it was to blend. The only thing is that this foundation will not give you a very heavy coverage, but otherwise it's a really good product. And don't forget your neck. And guys, the mousse foundation, what I've seen is that especially when you're applying with your fingers, you have to give it like a minute or so to kind of settle down. After applying the foundation, if you want, you can just press down a little bit like this. Okay. Alright, so now we'll move to the next step, which is of course using a concealer, and you guys know how much I love my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. By the way guys, I'll be using very few products today because I don't want to make this video too lengthy or difficult. Besides, you know me, I like to do very minimalistic type of makeup myself. So once again, just using my fingers to blend this whole thing in. Guys, I'm also applying a little extra on my eyelids because I'll be applying just a little bit of eyeshadow, okay? So this just creates a really nice base if you're going to be applying an eyeshadow. And once again, just press down gently. I just feel that pressing down gently, especially after you have used your fingers to apply your foundation, concealer and all, just really sets everything in like I just told you. And now moving to the eyeshadow guys, the eyeshadow that I am using today is Wet n Wild. This is a single eyeshadow and I love this eyeshadow because it's so glittery and it's so damn pretty. The shade is Groupie, and once again I'll share the link in the description box below. I think it's a great eyeshadow for those girls who don't want to apply too much but also want a little edgy look to the eyes. Personally, I use this eyeshadow a lot. It's like my most used eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna once again apply this using my fingers, okay? As you can see, it's all glittery. And then very quickly moving to the kajal. Well, I'm using the Plum Kajal because it's amazing. If you haven't tried it out yet, you should totally give it a try sometime. It's a jet black in color and it also lasts for a very long time. And then of course guys, you can also use it as an eyeliner because it's completely smudge proof and so easy to work with. Although for eyeliner, I will be using the Lotus Opulence Botanical Eyeliner, and it's again a great eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It's very easy to work with. Again, great for beginners, great when you're in a rush and you don't want to spend too much time with your eye makeup. Also, of course guys, you cannot forget your mascara. It's I think mascara and lipstick, personally for me, these are like my makeup essentials. Even if I'm not using anything else, I have to use these two products because they just add a lot of dimension, a really nice look to your face instantly. Next, moving to my makeup revolution, I Heart Makeup Blushing Heart Blusher. I love this product because first of all, it's a blusher and a highlighter. You can use it as both and it just gives you such a great glow on your face. It's really nice. So guys, this is something which I cannot apply just using my fingers. For highlighter, I absolutely need to use a brush. there we go, done with the highlighter. And last but not the least, my favorite lipstick. You might have seen me recommend this for so many times on my channel, and that is the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. So it comes with this little wand and it's a beautiful nude color. Works for almost all Indian skin tones. So guys, if you want, you can also use this as a little bit of blusher on the cheek. In fact, this is something which can also be used as a light eyeshadow if you want. I don't want to add too much of color on my face, so this is how I'm gonna keep it. And that's it guys, that's my quick Valentine's Day makeup look. It's a very simple look, and like I said, you can get all of these products on the beauty store by Big Basket. I'll share the link in the description box below, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye and have a great Valentine's Day. Bye.